Back guys to the Rush Truck Trophy Truck build. This is part 5 and we're just going to go through on the assembly of the bulkhead, fitting it all together with all the parts. So again, keep referring back to your map that relates to the part that you're doing. This is the bulkhead now, and those etch marks that we talked about in part 4, this is when they come into play to line this plate up. So you can see, just put that plate in there, and he's right in line with the etch marks there. And then just clamp him up. It's 1.5 inches apart. And we've got plates in the middle that we've put in. So before you put these plates in, there's crush tubes inside here for the bolts for your steering box. So lean in there, weld them up, but I've just put that in there to place just to show you how it all fits. But again, that fits absolutely perfect in there. Now we've got little shocky mounts as well, or little extra tabs there. They're pretty cool, just a bit of a feature there, gives you a bit more meat there for your 1/2 inch bolt. We've got these little bits, again they've got numbers, so keep referring back to your map and it'll tell you exactly where it's got to go. So it just clamps in like that. Clamp him up. Now, we've got these little circle bits here, these half circles, they go in from the top. It's just to cover up where the shock head goes, and they fit in there really neat. They fit in right in like that. So you get a nice weld along there, and there's a weld on the inside, and again that's for that side. To finish it off, you lay the top tube in once everything's welded up on the inside. That there just presses in there nice. Have a bit of a gap there. Once you press it in there, you can see a bit of a gap, like on the side, so you can get a nice weld in there. That's pretty self-explanatory where it goes. You will then get your R. Now with each pack, it has a chassis number on it. So it'll have Rush written on it, what chassis number you are, and the year. Now you can put this anywhere you like, but most of the trucks now have got about there, central there. Just gives you identification what truck number you are. And that's about it. So that's it for the bulkhead. The crush tubes are inside. Make sure you weld them up, and we're all good. So now it's knock off time. And I can think about hitting whoops at about 100 mile an hour, hopefully. We'll see you on episode number 6. Thanks.